Unboxing a Ulanzi V2 video coming up. Hello, so I got the Ulanzi unboxing it that I got off on eBay for $12.95, which I thought it was a good deal, good shipping. So as you can see, you got the Ulanzi housing unit, and it comes with a bubble wrap for protection. This is the house unit. It comes, you could open the back door, so you could put your GoPro in it, so it could be secure, it won't fall off. And it comes with an extra shoe with the shoe mount to connect, which the purpose that I got it is the GoPro adapter, so that I could put my mic adapter that I got it for, so I could hook up my Rode video microphone. You also get some Ulanzi and a Ubrick stickers along with the Blogmaster plan. This is the housing unit review. You get your stickers, the Blogmaster. So this is my final rig here that I got. I got the Ulanzi house unit with my GoPro 7 black on that housing unit, and I got my Rode microphone from Rode, which is the video micro compact on camera microphone. You can see I got my adapter there now that I put inside the house unit. I put the plugs in, so ready to go out and start filming for this GoPro adventures. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something from it. I appreciate you and your time. Please give it a like or a thumbs down and subscribe. Thank you so much. Esteban YepezTV. TV.